What's going on? It's your brother X, and I am back to do another video for you guys. And in this video, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest problems for your overall beard health. All right, I need you guys to stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be touching on some key points. I'm going to talk to you guys about the cause, the symptoms, the prevention, and the cure of eliminating this problem from your beard so that you can have the beard that you desire. So let's go ahead and get into it. What exactly is beard buildup? Beard buildup is the accumulation of the residue of products left behind that attaches itself to every hair strand in your beard. So yes, your favorite shampoos, conditioners, moisturizers, moisturizing sprays, leave-in conditioners, balms, they could sometimes leave a residue behind. That residue over time, it's going to put a coating on the outside of the beard strands, and then it's not going to allow moisture to penetrate into the hair strand and continuously keep your beard healthy. So I know a lot of you guys are saying, that's not my problem. When I put in my conditioner, I put in my leave-in, I put in my leave-in spray, my beard feels great, but I just still don't understand why my beard's not as healthy as it should. And a lot of those ingredients are placed in the products because they do just that. Okay, so a lot of the ingredients are designed to create slip, to make your hair feel a little bit more slippery, to make the comb be able to glide through your hair a little bit easier, to make your hair be able to be detangled a little bit easier. But that's not necessarily nourishing your hair from the inside out. It's just putting a coating on the outside of your beard strands. Okay, so here are some of the key ways to identify if you have beard buildup. You're gonna have a dry or dull looking beard. All right. You can have some flaking. Hopefully not, but that's an extreme case. You can have some flaking. Nothing you use seems to work on your beard. You have an excessive or more than usual amount of flyaways. So you get a lot of little hair strands popping out because the curl patterns of your beard are changing on certain hairs. And it's harder for moisture to penetrate your beard. Okay, so now that we know what it is, what are some of the ways you can prevent beard buildup? All right, number one is understanding the products that you use. Okay, and you don't want to use products that have non-water soluble silicones. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a list of some of the main ones here. Okay, so you also want to use warm water when rinsing or washing your beard. And what that's going to do is it's going to help to break down those products. It's going to help to make sure you don't leave anything left behind. And it's really going to help to get those butters and waxes and oils out of your beard. Okay. Okay, also choosing and using the right shampoo can make all the difference in the world. And everybody's hair type, everybody's hair texture is different. Everybody's daily routines, the amounts of products they use, whether they exercise, the climate they live in, all kinds of things can factor into this. But use a shampoo that's going to thoroughly cleanse your hair. All right. You want to use something that when you put it in your beard, it's really going to remove the products from the prior day, that day, or the prior week, whatever the case may be, depending on how often you wash your beard. Also, if you notice you're getting beard buildup, you can use a clarifying shampoo. I'm really not happy about even mentioning this or recommending it because clarifying shampoos really do strip the hair. They're really going to strip your beard, and it can actually do the opposite and also cause damage because it's just going to strip your beard so much. So if you do a clarifying shampoo, I'm going to recommend you check out my video on doing a deep condition, and you deep condition right after using a clarifying shampoo. All right. One of the other things you can do is you can do an ACV rinse, which is an apple cider vinegar rinse. One of the easiest ways to do it, use a regular Poland Springs bottle. That's 16 ounces, a little bit more than 16 ounces. You want to put anywhere from 4 to 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in that. Shake it up. You can poke a couple holes in the top of the cap, and you could just squeeze that in your beard, or you could put it in a spray bottle and you could rinse your beard with the ACV rinse, and that's going to help to remove the buildup. It's going to help to restore the shine and the luster of your beard, and it's really going to leave your beard feeling much better. Don't overdo it. I'd only recommend doing that once, maybe every 2 to 3 months. All right, so that's it. Once again, I appreciate all y'all. Do me a favor before you go, tap that like button, tap the subscribe button, tap the bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. I'll be back again soon. I appreciate all y'all. Y'all brothers stay blessed, man.